24-hour decluttering challenge. Can you do it? Why declutter? Clutter can mess with our mood, mental state, and overall peace. We're still on our decluttering journey and far from done, but the impact is amazing. Clutter is a constant reminder of our never-ending to-do list. Since our brains remember unfinished tasks better, it's no wonder we struggle to live in the moment and feel stressed. Decluttering isn't just about a tidy space. It reduces stress, boosts productivity, and brings peace. While we'd love to wave a magic wand and finish in a day, it's crucial to set realistic goals. Our clutter didn't pile up in 24 hours, so it won't vanish in that time either. However, committing to a dedicated 24-hour decluttering challenge can set the wheels in motion. It provides a structured approach to begin tackling the chaos, helping us regain control over our environment and mental space. The 24-hour plan, getting started. Let's break down our 24-hour time frame into manageable chunks, tackling specific areas in each block. We love the 3-box method. One for keeps, one for donations, and one for trash. Choose a specific area, like a closet, not the whole upstairs. Sort items quickly, placing uncertain ones aside. Once done, trash the trash, put keeps in their place, and bag donations. Avoid sentimental areas first. They're tough. Use bins for organization, but don't stress about perfection. Just start and label your bins in a way that makes sense for you. Consider setting a timer for each session to maintain focus and avoid burnout. The key is to maintain momentum throughout the day, ensuring you make tangible progress without feeling overwhelmed. Decluttering essentials, tools and techniques. One handy tip is a black trash bag. Once an item goes in, it's out of sight, out of mind. A donation box is a must, helping you organize as you declutter. Without it, you might stash things back on shelves. Use markers for labeling bins. The KonMari method is popular. Discard by category, clothes, then books, etc. Subcategorize. Keep what sparks joy, organize thoroughly, and tidy all in one go. Everyone's different, so find what works for you. Consider using music or a podcast to keep energy levels high and make the process more enjoyable. Having motivational content playing in the background can inspire you to keep going, even when faced with decisions that are difficult or emotionally charged. The power of letting go. Decluttering is emotional, especially with sentimental items. Don't start there. It's the hardest. It's okay to box items for later. Label the box with a future donation date. If you don't remember an item, don't look through it. After the date, donate the box. To declutter clothes, turn hangers backward. If not turned in 6 months, consider donating. We still struggle, setting items aside until ready to let go. It can take years, but it gets easier. Letting go gives freedom from excess clutter, both physically and mentally. Be kind to yourself, it's a process. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Each item you release is a step toward a more serene and manageable living space. The aftermath. Enjoying a decluttered life. Enjoying a decluttered life begins with a 24-hour effort. Start small, take before and after photos to see the transformation. Share progress with like-minded folks for encouragement. Online groups can offer support too. Just clearing floors affects how we see our space. Decluttering is ongoing. Maintain cleared areas as you tackle new ones. A 5-minute tidy-up can help maintain order. Don't wait for a full day. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a difference. We'd love to hear what area you'll tackle in the 24-hour challenge. Share your journey, and let's support each other. Remember, enjoying a decluttered life is about embracing simplicity, where less truly becomes more, and each moment feels more intentional and fulfilling. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple.